What's one? So basically for today's video, I'm gonna present you with like everything that I did like within like the last part of this day trip. So I started off the day by like seeing a couple waterfalls in like northwestern Georgia, and then after that I went to like a waterfall in northeastern Alabama, and then after that I ended up like trying to see another waterfall in like near Nashville, but I didn't end up getting like enough time to really explore it, but I still did get a little bit of a view there. So that's basically what I did for today's video. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yeah, Mom.
Can you get to that?
Okay, so it's now almost 1 o'clock. Just like made it back into Central Time, so at the next park I'm gonna be seeing today. Okay, so it's a little after 7 right now, Central Time. So basically, I would say I'm about like maybe half an hour to an hour away from Nashville, somewhere in between there. Hope you enjoyed everything that I did like in today's video. Honestly, a lot of things didn't go according to plan with this part of the video. So basically, whenever I try to go to like the last place, which is Cummins Falls, whenever I try to go there, it turns out they close at 6. I thought they closed at 8 because of it being summer, but they closed the place at 6. I barely was able to go and see the waterfall. And I had to like drive 3 hours to get from there, from the waterfall that I saw earlier, which was like in northeastern Alabama actually. It was a 3-hour drive. It was really exhausting too, and really hot day today. It was like during the peak time of the day. So I got to see the waterfall briefly, and then I had to like hit the road again because they kind of want like everyone to try to get out of the park as soon as possible. Stopping here for a little bit for sure. I actually ended up like stopping at this rest area like a few times after like past Smoky Mountains trips, so this is definitely bringing back memories of me doing that.
Three 28 a.m. 3,000 years later.
Okay, so it's like a little after 10:30 right now, so finally made it into Kentucky, stopping at the Welcome Center. Maybe a little bit less than 4 hours till I make it home. Pretty tired, I'm not gonna lie. I had a lot of fun like the last 2 days, but you will definitely feel worn out after doing a bunch of stuff and trying to see a bunch of places in 2 days stretch, but really nice rest area here. Okay, so it's like almost 12:15 right now, next day officially. So made it to like the Paducah rest area right here. They changed the layout of this place. Chairs here though. They definitely changed up like the lookout of this rest area from like the last time I was here. The last time that I was actually at this rest area was like whenever I like did the fall Smoky Mountains trip, which is like almost 2 years ago now. So this is definitely a different layout of the rest area here. I personally like the old one a little bit more, but it's still a really nice rest area, still a nice place to check out, and really beautiful place. One of the nicest rest areas I've been to. So I hope you enjoyed like everything that I did like during this like Tennessee mini getaway. So I hope you enjoyed like the last 2 videos I had in this video. Some things that I wish like had gone better about the trip was like I wish I like went to Foster Falls after seeing that one waterfall rather than trying to go to Cummins Falls, because I almost didn't get to see it today because I didn't know the place closed at 6. So, and also Foster Falls was closer drive too. So I wish I had done that today instead of trying to go to Cummins Falls. I also didn't get to see Foster Falls yesterday either because I had spent too much time at like the first 2 parks. That's another thing I wish I would differently, but other than that, this like mini getaway was pretty much a success and had a lot of fun. And my favorite place I ended up seeing, I would have to say that one waterfall that I saw, it's Fall Creek Falls. It was like the last place I went to in the first video. And I also really like the one waterfall that I saw like earlier today, the one with like the upper part and the lower part. That was also a really beautiful waterfall. So those were like my favorite places I went to. I also really enjoyed going back to Greer Falls as well. And then probably my least favorite experience was, I would have to say, the second place I went to, because there wasn't like any swimming availability to go at that place. And then also Cummins Falls wasn't the greatest experience just because of basically finding out that they closed at 6, but the people were still nice enough to let me go see it real quick, so I do appreciate them for that. I definitely want to give that place a try again if I go back out there and try to go earlier, because I feel like it actually has potential to be a really fun place to go to. So I really do hope you enjoy like all the places I did get to see. And if you guys haven't checked out the last 2 videos I made, feel free to check those videos out because I saw a lot more crazy waterfalls, so feel free to check it out. But I really do hope you enjoyed like everything that I did. So I'll either see you guys if I stop again, or I'll see you guys for the outro. Okay, so it's now almost 3 in the morning, so I finally made it to the one rest area that I normally stop at, like after Kincaid Lake trips. That pretty much means I'm really close to home now, so honestly, this drive has been pretty exhausting, but the like trip itself was a lot of fun, and I enjoyed like getting to see all the waterfalls, but I really do feel like burnt out from driving, so stopping here now. Okay, so this is about all I'm going to be doing for today's video. So hope you enjoyed everything that I did in this part of the video. Hope you enjoyed the waterfalls I got to see in northwestern Georgia. Hope you enjoyed me going swimming at that one waterfall and like northeastern Alabama, and I hope you enjoyed the little view that I got at Cummins Falls, even though it wasn't like anything crazy, but definitely planning on going back there in the future when I can like plan to visit a little bit more accordingly. But subscribe and keep my post notifications on, see what we do next. Stay tuned for like more videos coming out, and without further ado, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.